Sorry guys, my video had dropped. My phone almost fell. So my little sister, she's playing with my slime. I'm gonna take it from her, and then I'm gonna mix all my slime together. She can't hear me. Okay.
Where is my slime? She's having it here.
2, 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm gonna mix all of the beautiful colors. So pink, more pink, yellow. I'm using light colors because I don't want it to be like stay dark. Give me that slime.
Why? What are you? I'm going to my room.
Bye.
And you better call my name for.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the slime. I mixed clay with them. This is the slime. Yes, these little ball thingies. They come off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What color should we put first? Let's put all the pinks. We're gonna mix all the pinks together. Whoa. I'm trying to figure out. Can anyone see that? Alright, get them all softened.
Team, it's been a grind, but I think I managed it well.
Huh?
I'm tired. I've been messing at my stuff and call me something. And then I will ask what it was.
Oh, wait, Isha.
Yes.
Don't come in my room.
Okay.
All of the pinks. This one I haven't opened yet. Oh my gosh. So soft. So look, pink. This pink I just put. Pink, pink, pink.
I could just watch TV since I'm not tired.
This pink is so good. I did not try to do that.
Sunday. Wednesday. Thursday. Saturday. What is this? Is it food? I need my website clean it. Ew. It's nasty. Ew, she just pooped again. Ew. Let's clean it.
Yeah, give me that car, boy.
How do I do it? Like that.
Okay, so I had to take these two out, the pink slime. Now, oh my gosh, look at this. So pretty. Have 2 yellows. I mixed white with this one. But light pink, dark pink. 2 yellows.
Hey, sister, what are you doing?
Nothing. I'll be right out there.
Call me if you need something.
Okay. Can you go to the store?
Store for what?
We need milk. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Mom, can I get some money?
For what?
Huh?
Oh, nothing, sister. Go get the milk. And I also want some chips.
Okay. I got chips. I got 30.
This is such a pretty color.
Here, sister, I got your chips.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm having an entire day today.
Like I said, you shouldn't be playing this game. Nobody should be playing a game like this because it's very violent.
Well, I forgot he was playing.
Such a pretty.
FT. No, not FT.
How come you can play it but I
way you can mix the slime.
Ooh, I forgot what they're called again.
Alright.
What?
This game.
GTA.
Playing these evil video games. Playing these stupid video games.
No, I
Look
mean,
how big it is. Okay, look how big this is compared to what they come to.
I missed it.
It's already
Okay. Look how big this is compared
I
to
mean,
how
this
they
game,
come
Paris.
to you.
I mean, this.
GTA. Like I can cover this whole thing.
Nobody should be playing a game like this because it's very violent.
Like, look.
How come you can play it but I can't? Because I'm grown, that's why.
Put this on the side. So look. This big thing. That. And I'm gonna mix this purple and put.
Oh, it's a cookie. Oh, that's not real. That's just a toy.
Put it.
Bad for your brain. It's just right in your mind. It's all you know what the kids messed up when they messed up. Stuff like that.
Hold on, I'm scrolling.
Dad, what? I ain't doing that. I'm trying to figure out how to cut it off. Stupid game. Matter of fact, you know what? You grounded. You know what I mean? You know what I said. You should be playing games like this, know that. And you know that. So, I'm going to take this game.
Hey, sister, is this your cord?
Put this beautiful color with these beautiful colors.
Sister, is this your cord?
Yeah.
Half of your room.
Barely can see the purple.
It's like this. In the middle, it's like in the sixth. Look, let me get more fatter.
Now it's time to mix her slime with my slime. Let's scratch this out. Whoa, hold on. Let me show you guys this. Wow. Like.
It's. And when I take it off, it's gonna turn.
It's so big.
Please, son, let me just cut this TV off and go to bed. Good night. Dad, you told me I said good night. All right.
He just said dad after 2 times.
Hold on, I'm gonna need you guys.
No.
Oh, bro, why is this man standing outside the door like that? We're not even open yet, bro. Can't stand customers like that. What are you doing? Camping outside the store or something? Close already? Hey.
They open up what?
Oh well. Guess I'll just have to sleep here today, open.
hear how satisfying that is?
Oh, I gotta set my alarm. Alright, so I'm gonna open at 8. So I guess I'll just set my alarm to nothing crazy. Let's just do 6:30. All the way.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. I don't think she's seen the slime when I left because she was busy watching TV. But anyways, look.
Alright, so let me get this straight. You said you want 6 cheeseburgers, no cheese, which is really just 6 hamburgers. Then you said you want cheeseburgers, no cheese. If you get a cheeseburger with no cheese, it's just a hamburger. Alright. You said you want 6 cheeseburgers, no cheese. Don't make no damn sense. 6 large fries, 4 Diet Cokes, and 8 apple pies. You want separate bags? Or you... I need separate bags for. I mean, I wasn't sure how many people you was ordering for, so I'm ordering for myself. What, you calling me greedy or something? Okay. No, sir. Please go to the first right now. Oh, okay. So maybe come in there. I ain't know. I thought you was ordering for a party or something. Yeah, let me have a toilet. Yeah, I can have it.
A few moments later.
All right, bro. The total is 45.28. Oh, no, they had it ain't. Hold on. I got some coupons for you. Yep, my meal should be free. Yeah. Big bro, 2 things. One, we can only accept 1 coupon per customer, which is cheap ass. And second, I don't know if you know or not, these coupons expired in 2004. It's 2022. Let me speak to your manager. Oh, hey, that is some fool. I just got them coupons yesterday. You know what they fight. I just got them coupons. You don't know what you're doing. You're just stupid.
Okay, guys. I'm back. So I got my little brother. Say hi. Say hi, Poppy. Anyways. I can tell you this about this slime. This slime is so scratchy, warm, big. Well, let me give him my brother and see what he does with it. See what he do with it. Ready? First of all, we gotta make this smell good. Some oil. Coconut oil. It's gonna need a lot because it's big. You better go smell it. Whoa. I did not notice how much I can put. Give them a
Hey,
shot.
Paris, are you done with the slime?
Not yet.
Okay, let me know when you're done with it. It better be real big.
Okay. So moist. Ready?
This is very light. You like that picture? Look. You like it? It's fun too.
Of the spray.
Let me know if you're done with it, Paris. Lay down. Lay down right here. Lay down. Lay down. No, you want to do right now, your back. Right now. Your neck hurt. I'm not going to put a pillow on. I'm going to let you learn better.
This smells so freaking good. I put some of the coconut oil.
Babe Dre, don't hurt your chip.
And some
Dre, don't hurt yourself. Percy, he put
toasted coconut,
Percy
body
put-
mix, pink, white amber, pink pepper, coca,
Harris,
chili.
he pointed out something.
He won't me.
He pointed out your perfume. Right now, he'll lose that too. Baby, what you want? All those ops or all those? I can just see.
Look at this. I have to surprise Asia. She wasn't even watching. Quick second. I don't know what I'm gonna use. It's my
You get
favorite.
down? You have to get down. Come on. Come on. What? Percy wanted to get. I think he wanted to get up here. But you can get up here? Come on. I'll put you up there.
I put all of the cream inside.
Got you up there. Look at you.